What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be working on the GSR a little bit. I've been cleaning the garage out to get the McCure in. If you guys didn't see my first video on this is going to be the first year's new build, kind of like restoration, I guess. And I got a lot of new subscribers that filled me on some information that I was kind of passing along. Some details and facts that I got wrong. But anyways, it is supposed to rain, and I did plastic this, but I don't really want to risk it, so I gotta get the garage cleaned up. But I figured before I do that, let's get on to some more GSR stuff, and I'm gonna show you in this video on how to hone. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hone cylinder wall. And you can tell I got the first one kind of started. I might have to go up and get some more WD-40. But if you guys are interested in this car, make sure you guys check out the rest of the video, or my first video, and hit that subscribe button. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to Gotti's Garage, give this video a thumbs up. And let's get started. I'll get you set up on the tripod and kind of walk you along on what to do. So when you go to hone a cylinder block, the two essential things you're gonna need is obviously a drill. This is a cheap Walmart drill, and you're gonna need a cylinder hone. And I picked this one up on Amazon. I think it was $17 shipped to your door. Actually, there's three things you're gonna need. You're also gonna need some sort of lubricant. I'm gonna have to get more because I'm almost out, but I should have enough to start the process. So now I'm gonna get you on the tripod, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. Hey guys, I'm coming to you from the future because I was editing this video and I noticed that I missed an entire clip explaining, not missed, but an entire clip is actually missing, explaining the process of how to hone. So essentially what you want to do is you want to lube up the cylinder walls really good. You don't ever want to hone on a dry cylinder wall. So you lube it up really good. I was using WD-40 penetration oil. I'm sure you can use anything else. I know some people use like motor oil or transmission automatic transmission fluid and stuff like that. And then what you want to do is you want to take full strokes all the way down the cylinder wall, not very fast RPM, just enough to spin, maybe like 200-300 RPM. And then you just want to keep going like up and down the full length of the thing. Don't let the honing tool actually come out of the cylinder prematurely, and just make sure you do a great job on that. And towards the end, you'll start noticing that I'm actually speeding up, going really fast. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that or if it's bad to do that, but that's something I've always done, even back in auto mechanic class back in high school. So yeah, I don't think that'll hurt anything. But since I got you right now, if you guys want to, you go to www.gottisgarage1.com and pick up one of these GSR shirts. I'll put a picture of it on the screen right now. Now this shirt, all the proceeds will be going to this GSR engine. Every single build, I'm going to release a limited shirt, and then once the build is over, then that shirt will be discontinued. As well as I got these little windbreakers. Since spring is here, or coming around the corner for most of us, I got this Gotti's Garage pullover windbreaker. So the zipper goes about halfway down. You got a pocket that goes all the way through. It's a very comfortable jacket. You also got a little zipper right here for like any valuables. It is embroidered with Gotti's Garage on there. Comes with the hood. It's thin, very nice quality Champion athletic gear. Super nice. So like I said, all proceeds go to the channel. The GSR shirt proceeds go straight to the GSR. The McCure new shirts that I just released today, which is Friday, those will be going to the McCure build. And just regular general Gotti's Garage stuff will be going to the Gotti's Garage channel, such as camera gear, new cars, parts, and stuff like that. So make sure you guys check that out, and let's get back to the video. you can see really well, but there are some like a lot of scorching on this cylinder walls. So I think this block is actually going to need to be bored out. So when I take it to the machine shop, figure out how much you're going to have to bore it out. That way I could buy the piston size for that. But so I kind of notice, and they are like, they catch a fingernail. This one's really bad right here. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. So I can grab my flashlight. See that? And they catch your fingernail just slightly, but they do. I think probably about every single one has one. Here we are with the pistons, as you can tell. Yeah, that's no bueno. So these are P30 pistons. I think I found P32 pistons. They're a pressed-in ring. They're a pressed-in piston. They're a pressed-in piston. All right, fourth take. They're a pressed-in wrist pin style piston. So they're not a free floater like a forged, but they're supposed to be supposedly 40% stronger. So, and they're a P32, so I think it's a lower compression, or maybe it's a little bit higher than a P30. I can't exactly remember. So yeah, don't quote me on that. If you have any information on that, please let me know in the comments below. But it'll be able to hold boost and a lot more power, so I'm a little disappointed in this, but still, I think this is still gonna be it's not gonna be as cheap as I wanted it to, because now we're gonna have to bore it, we're gonna do some machine work. I was hoping just to throw the piston rods in, everything like that, and start going, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be that simple, so stay tuned. We're gonna have more GSR content. We're gonna have more McCurr content, and as well as some more truck content as well. So I'm definitely pretty busy with content, which makes me happy. I'm gonna be sticking at one video a week every Sunday at 6 p.m. Michigan time, whatever time zone that is. And yeah, that's gonna be cool. And if you guys are into the turbo stuff, so if you're watching this because of the GSR build, and you guys don't know anything about this, this is a 89. I had the date wrong. I thought it was an 87, but it's an 89. I mean, look at that stock factory turbo. It's a T3 flange. And supposedly, I could be wrong again, but supposedly you can get rid of the boost controller, which is right there. You can get rid of that and put on a manual boost controller after an intercooler and stuff, and you run 20 pounds of boost on this thing. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because it's gonna be a fun build. There's not very many of them on YouTube, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys learned something about honing. It's very simple. Might seem scary because you're messing with the cylinder walls and stuff like that, but really it's not. It's pretty simple. It's pretty foolproof, and yeah. So hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. If you guys want to help this channel out, go to www.gottysgarage1.com and pick some stuff up. Everything goes right back into the channel. And you guys stay different and have a nice week.